structure of React project. Let us start with package.json. This file contains dependencies and script necessary for the projects we have, gitignore and readme file. Let's do to folder node modules have all the dependency when it is installed. In public folder, we have static file like image, SVG, etc. We have only one index, HTML file that is SPA, single page application. Next folder is the src folder, where we are going to work. Index.js, render the root component that is app. Apt.js is the folder where coding will done, and it is responsible for the UI view that we are seeing in browser. App.css is the styling file. This is the folder structure of React. Let us start with simple hello world program.